Welcome, dear customers, from our entire team. That's Mridul, Paman, and myself. A very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Now, we come with this latest collection for all the viewers. It's going to be winter, and it's a new collection and about 20% luxury stuff as well. Authentic luxury stuff, single sampling pieces. So, we request you to order them as soon as possible. Also, at the end of the video as well, or at the end of your order, if customers are going to order more than 20,000, the billing invoice, if it exceeds 20,000, you'll get a surprise gift as well. So crazy stuff is out there here in this video. It's all new collection, all winter. Pre-winter is going to be 10%, 90% is hardcore winter because it's really cold up here and chilly here in the north, and about 40% of India is exposed to this harsh winter. And the cool stuff which is going to come is going to be really awesome because it's New Year's and winters, and the line of parties for most of y'all. Everybody enjoys during this time of the year, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So we begin, and we got some nice jackets, lightweight jackets. So it's got a suede finish. आप देख सकते हैं. It's cotton, but it's got a suede finish on it. So very lightweight. I think good till about 20 degrees. It's got a nylon coating inside, which
double XL.
it's actually a wind cheater jacket. Blocks the wind and looks stylish at the same time. But we've just got bigger sizes in this. It's got lovely cross pockets, and you can see shipment pack condition. These are all shipments abroad, so the sizes are going to be a little big. Yeah, let's see the wash care if there is. Yes, there is wash care as well.
46.
So this looks pretty big. This is probably a 46 plus.
40.
Maybe we might have to measure this because this is a jacket and it's just got 2 or 3 pieces in this. Oops, that's upside down. Just a minute. Yeah, so that's about 49.50 viewers. 49.50.
Double XL.
Double XL. Lovely black. Same article, solid. Can be worn formally as well. So lovely jacket there. You can see a lovely black and a suede finish, and a wonderful piece. Ye dekhiye. Extra large is the size.
Extra large.
It's got lovely collars. And yeah, everything is intact. Very beautiful piece. You can see there. Shape a more elegant world for planet. So lovely. I think this should be, according to that, this should be what, 46, 46, 47, or maybe 48. Been able to arrange. You can see neat and clean, fresh pieces. You can see this embossed tray right in the middle of the chest. Beautiful. And there. And you can see the fleece here.
5 large. 42, 44.
We'll show you the wash care also. So all single sampling pieces are a fresh, neat condition. And these are the countries it's gone to. You can see there. Canada and all the other countries down south. So now this is very fine work. Isko scratch kariye, kuch bhi kariye, there's no problem. And you can see the streaks here, the weave in the fabric. Outstanding, very classy, warm product. And size bata chuke Pawan, will
42,
tell you the sizing.
Size naapke nahi.
Okay, viewers, now this is something new in 2024. This is Led Zeppelin, which is a brand. This is a band. Sorry, not a brand. It's a band, and a hard rock band, and into John Vovatos. So you can see there the zip and everything. It's a lovely article. It's a size 44 plus, 44, 46. It's got this lovely grey texture. That's a part of the label. This is almost 300 euros, which means 30,000 ka article hai. Mridul will show you there. And some similar kind of a thing he will also post there so that you can compare the pricing. So Led Zeppelin there for viewers. Just one sample piece. आप जल्दी से order कर सकते हैं. I think this is 44, 46. 44, 46. A lovely jacket style sweatshirt. Just one single piece again. You can quickly order 44 plus, 44, 46.
Single piece.
Yeah. So, here. This is a lovely woolen sweater.
Woolen sweater.
There you can see the size, XL,
XL.
but it's not very big. It's probably 40. इनमें क्या होता है in the knits? They're about 3 to 4 inches stretch भी होते हैं. But without the stretch, I think it's going to be a 42, 43, maybe 44. With stretch, it can even go further. पीछे से plain है. आगे से it's got this beautiful print here. This is the wool in between. The black, grey, and the blue looks very outstanding and classy.
44, 46.
जी. ये देखिए. Now this is a international product again, and lots of stretch in here. You can see 3 to 4 inches stretch, comfortable stretch. So this is about a
42, 44.
42, 44. Pawan's done some homework, and it's okay. We've got this color also.
40.
Yeah. So now this is a bomber style sweatshirt. You can see how classy it is. Look at the work here. Yes, man, the work here. The stripe running down the sleeves from the shoulders. High neck, baseball style. Lovely buttons. Fleece inside. And it's not very heavy. लग रहा है भारी पकड़ने में नहीं. So it's very light and a very nice finish to it. The texture is amazing. And you can see that. Size is large. So it should be a 44.
44,
एक बार
42.
wash care भी है इसमें. So they are neat and clean, fresh
Neat and
articles.
clean piece.
Yeah, all are new. All are new pieces. This is not a sale happening, but you'll get good prices.
You see right.
ये देखिए. So with the same product with this metalwork embossed inside, which is not going to come out.
42, 44.
It's a lovely cream color, and you can see the texture if you zoom in. It's got stripes here, and it's got fleece inside.
Yes.
Size बता चुके हैं पावन?
हाँ. 42, 44.
Okay, everything is jumbled up, so all the more reason all viewers are requested to watch the complete video because they're crazy articles. You can see how beautiful this piece looks. The cream and the maroon, the blend looks fantastic. It's a medium. It's not a very big size. 40, 41,
40,
maybe
41.
maybe 42 max. क्योंकि इनमें भी थोड़ा सा stretch होता है. It depends. If you stretch this too much, it's not going to look nice. So we'll send you the actual measurements. Send us screenshots. This is a medium, like a baseball thing, a sweatshirt. Baseball sweatshirt भी बुला सकते हैं इसको. There's another color in this. So 3 articles, 3 colors. Okay, this is an extra large. So
Extra
we're just
large.
showing you. We're not unzipping this for you. But if you like this color, let us know. Send screenshots. We'll check for the sizes in this. So there's a maroon, there's a beige, and a what's the third color, Pawan?
Maroon.
Forgot. Pawan forgot. It's a grey.
Grey.
Okay, it's a dark grey. Okay,
Dark grey.
so 3 colors.
3 colors.
Another fantastic article here.
Yeah.
You can see this. How lovely this is. ये देखिए.
So it's a
Medium. It's
Medium
got
size.
again fleece. All these are warm. The
40,
reason for us to
41.
show because there's a lot. Okay, you can see this. It's got acid wash, and you can see there. This is part of the look, and the fabric here they've used is denim sort of fabric. It's got a lovely pocket here on the side, and the best part is it's got fleece inside. It's got soft fleece inside.
soft fleece.
We've got all sizes in this, and it's very light and warm. Shipment pack condition. देख सकते हैं आप. ये देखिए. And sleeves, so it looks very classy. We've got all sizes. I think Pawan medium to double XL.
Yes.
Medium to double XL available. जल्दी से order करिए. Fantastic, lightweight, authentic product. We're quickly showing you because collection बहुत सारा है. Now look at this. This is up to 24, 25 degrees.
Big.
It's not very thick. It's a full sleeve sweatshirt
42,
without fleece.
44.
Without fleece. Pawan will tell you the size because that's a medium. है ना?
Medium.
Okay.
42.
And there's a lovely white also in this. Okay, ये size बताते रहिए.
42, 44.
Double XL.
Double XL. 46, 48.
Now there's a hoodie. सब कुछ mixed है. Cherry pick pieces. Quickly send us your screenshots. Fleece inside. Size is large mentioned.
Large.
It's got
44.
the silver lining on the
Silver line.
arms. And पीछे है कोई print? नहीं.
नहीं.
It's got a logo in front. It's got a self logo in front. So lovely hoodie, fleece hoodie with silver lining.
44,
And kangaroo
46.
pocket. Okay, इस article में we've got a couple of sizes. ये size बताइए, बाकी हम बताते हैं viewers को.
So, XL. 46. ये 46 है. होगी.
46. एक और 46 है. ये भी double XL है.
ये
It's got
46,
work on the hood.
48.
ये देख सकते हैं.
ये 46, 48.
And it's got
XL है
this
ये तो ये.
work there on the chest. Fleece है. And a lovely, it's got this leopard print on top.
Leopard.
Okay, पावन ये दिखाइए.
ये
That's
white
the second
है.
color, viewers.
Second color.
The blue, it looks very nice. The blue, the red and the white base at the back.
46, 48.
Yeah, this is 100% organic cotton. आप देख सकते हैं ये US shipment का होगा या फिर European shipment
XL.
होगा.
46. size.
So not very warm. It's got French terry.
French terry.
Sorry, it's not French terry. It's soft fleece, but
Soft
not very. GSM इसका कम है, so it's not very warm. ये size पवन देखिए क्या है.
Double XL.
Again double XL. So I think
48.
bigger size is only in that. ये देखते हैं ये क्या है. It's a lovely blue. Okay, so the acid wash, blue with fleece inside, warm fleece, and you can quickly order. Size बता चुके हैं आप?
Size 46.
46. Yeah, it's a double
46,
XL.
48.
Okay, we're just unwrapping each and every article in front of you. Quickly send us screenshots because these are just single wonderful
40,
pieces
42.
and fresh, new, neat and clean stuff that we're opening this season, especially for our viewers who have supported us all the way. You can see that's a medium, just one
Medium.
piece in this. Fantastic article. You can see here. It's got kangaroo pockets there with a lovely zip, and it's
Back
got work at
print.
the back. So
Back
not a very
print.
big size, 40, 42, right? Pawan?
40, 42.
Send us the measurements. एक बार wash care भी दिखा दीजिए. यहाँ side में भी है. Each and everything is intact, neat and clean, fresh,
Yes.
and shipments abroad. ये देखिए. This article is also nice. A lovely article. You can see this. This looks so nice.
Size
All over
40,
print. Two
40.
pocket, double pocket. And we'll just take about a minute to show you. Such a beautiful article. You can see there. Yeah. Unzip this guy. Yeah. You can see inside. It's got this velvet finish. It's got wash care. Everything intact. Got two pockets there. So a jacket style sweatshirt with adjustable waistband at the bottom. आगे से दिखाइए.
Yeah.
ये. So if anyone likes this piece, I think this is only one piece, Pawan, है ना?
Yes.
40, 42.
40,
Just one
42.
single article. A super luxury article, viewers. Just one piece we've got, which is about a 34, 36 waist.
34.
You can see there. You can look at the detailing inside. It's got this secret pocket inside, and with intact wash care and everything. So a brilliant
Double
article.
XL
Just
है
one
ये.
piece there. You can see there. That's the logo there, even on the zip. So it's got some work here. You can see the stitching is so fine. It's got this work, and it's a jogger style. Jogger style hai, and it's a lovely olive green brown mix. Look at the pocket at the back, and the lines going across the pocket. A lot of detailing on this. So someone likes to wear luxury at approximately 90% off. We'll give you on all the luxury articles. ये देखिए अब 90 maybe even 92, perhaps 93% off. You can see the lovely velvet finish and everything there, the patchwork there. Two stylish pockets, a very stylish product.
34, 36.
Only one article here. You can
Single
see
piece.
everywhere it is outstanding. You know, the finish and everything is really nice. Just one piece, you can quickly order. Now these joggers, these are comfort joggers. These are comfort cargo joggers, you can call
Cargo
them.
joggers.
Straight fit. And very nice. Current article. French terry is the fabric.
Terry.
Weight,
ये wash care.
slightly weight होगा इसका. ये देख सकते हैं with wash care and everything. And beautiful pockets. काफ़ी अच्छे pockets हैं. You can keep your mobile phone and wallet and everything in this. Got a button there. ये देख सकते हैं. And a lovely brown पे ये wash किया हुआ है, acid wash. And it's adjustable. You can, if you
6
want
pocket.
it, if you want it like this, you know, you can have it both ways. Best of both worlds. ये देखिए. You can crumple it and you can leave it open. So पीछे से दिखा दीजिए एक बार. So I think 6 pocket है कितने?
Yes, 6 pocket.
6 pocket. Okay. There's another color, viewers, in this.
ये कलर है उसी में.
Yeah.
32.
Straight fit.
4. Straight fit.
And
6 pocket.
again 6 pocket, lovely grey. And what's the size, Pawan? It's not a very big size. It's a 32 size.
32.
6
32.
pocket.
Black logo है.
दिखा ना?
Side.
Fleece. Fleece straight lowers.
Oh, yes.
ये देखिए.
ये है double XL. Black.
And this is a large. पीछे से I think it's plain.
ये plain.
And it's got this lovely embroidery work.
ये embroidery.
There दिखाइए.
ये
You can see lovely embroidery work. Okay. So there are more colors. White भी मिल जाएगा.
और ये grey.
And red. So just these 4 colors here.
Size मिल जाएंगे इसमें.
ये दिखा दीजिए.
ये.
And the next article, this is also very, very stylish.
Corduroy.
Corduroy with 4 pocket. You can see the flap here. It's shipment pack condition with scannable article. And lovely pockets, big pockets.
6
It's got a
pocket.
drawstring as well. And adjustable at the base. Adjustable at the base. You can make it a jogger. You can wear it as cargo as well. So 2-in-1.
6
Corduroy,
pocket cargo.
6 pocket cargo. I think sizes we'll quickly mention. You've seen the article. We're going to quickly tell you about the sizing. ये size बताइए क्या है?
ये size है
Okay, this is a 32,
34.
34, 30.
30.
We have a 30 also and a 36. 30 to 36 available in this.
सारे size.
Quickly moving on. Okay, you can see a lovely bright yellow and a lovely fleece there. See fleece, shipment pack condition to Europe. ये देखिए. You can see there, intact there. Organic cotton used and lovely work.
Size
here.
large. 42.
Wash care and everything is going to be intact.
Neat and clean piece.
Neat and clean. इसमें sizes हम आपको बता देते हैं क्या क्या है.
तो ये large है.
ये large है, ये देखिए क्या है. Extra large, large and medium, right?
Medium. Yes.
So complete set in this, you can quickly order this. Okay, viewers, John Bovados. That's the label there. You can see there. A luxury brand. Over 200 euros for this. 250 के आसपास.
Size
Thin है.
large.
Best part is it can be worn all across India because it's not
42,
very warm.
44.
It's a thin sweatshirt till 25 degrees. So that's the acid wash. इसलिए डल लग रहा है, but these are all new shipment samples. Okay, this what's the size, Pawan? And this is also XL, I think. Large,
XL.
yeah, XL है. There you can see.
44, 46.
And we got a blue as well. Blue, देखिए, blue. And with this
Size large. 44.
बहुत ही amazing pieces हैं. जल्दी से order करिए. Only in large and XL, right?
Yes.
JV में we have only large and XL. Now look at this. This is fleece inside, warm fleece inside, authentic article, and beautiful you work here. You can see the design here.
46,
And you can see
48.
it is in USD, or yeah, you can see the price there.
46,
Yeah, देख सकते हैं.
48.
So what a
Yeah,
lovely
see
piece
here.
it is.
Yes.
पीछे भी है और एक बार वॉश के भी दिखा दीजिए और साइजेस बता दीजिए.
ये बॉस गियर इसका दिखा दिया हमने. इसमें सारे साइज मिल जाएंगे.
इसमें ये है. This is the way you'll get it, viewers. Have a look at it. It's shipment pack condition.
40 साइज 40.
Current shipments for Christmas. इसमें से निकाले गए हैं. ये देखिए. So you get it neat and clean like this.
Neat and clean piece.
एकदम.
Medium.
और ये दूसरा ये खुला पीस दिखाओ पाएंगे इसका. There are 3 designs. Mridul will show you as well. एक ये है the colorful one, the print, the face here, the colorful one. So and one is with the gold and one is with silver.
Silver.
So 3 faces. One is a multicolor face, one is with gold, and the other is silver. And wash care and everything intact, neat and clean. Current shipments. You've seen the condition. We are in.
44.
आप इनको जल्दी से ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं.
Medium.
ये मीडियम है इन द कलरफुल फेस.
Colorful face. Medium.
मीडियम. यू गॉट अ स्मॉल इन द सिल्वर फेस.
Silver face.
सिल्वर फेस एक बार दिखाना
Small.
होगा तो खोल के दिखा दीजिए. आई थिंक वी हैव ओनली स्मॉल इन दिस, और मे बी आगे निकल सकते हैं. एक पीस आपके दिखा देते हैं. ये देखिए. दिस इज इट फॉर यू. ये देखिए. We'd like to show the viewers. That is the reason I was little hesitant in opening it, is because it's so beautifully packed. There you go. Yeah. See the work here.
ये सिल्वर पैच है. साइज स्मॉल. ये देखो. साइज 40, 41.
जी. Okay, so this is a बहुत ही exceptional and beautiful and wonderful stuff it is. Party wear stuff with the studs on it. So amazing. New Year's coming around the corner, so all interested customers can order this beautiful, wonderful pack shipment pieces at crazy prices. Now we've got MK as well. We've got the other label. We've got another label. This is also
Yeah,
shipment
cool.
pack condition. Okay, Pawan will show you.
ये खुला पीस इसका. ये भी है. साइज एक्सल है. ब्लैक कलर. ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी है.
ये बता दीजिए व्यूअर्स को. गरम है ना? This
गरम.
is warm. It's got
Warm
warm fleece
fleece.
inside.
ये
And wash care एक बार दिखा दो.
बहुत है इसका.
Okay. So what's the size, Pawan?
एक्सल.
XL, and this is a medium and a large. So in this
Sorry,
black,
size.
beautiful, all-time favorite. The combination, the styling is crazy. We got all the sizes:
All.
medium, large, and XL. Okay, a super luxury product
Super
here. You can see the consistency feels beautiful. Holding it feels lovely, and it's got a little bit of lycra, so a lot of stretch will be there. And you can see the base. Kitna acha hai. And everything, the wash care and everything intact. And you can see this down the sleeves. And nice warm article. And very stylish. So size, I think that's
40.
a large. 40, 42.
40.
Not a very big size. And we are seeing the next one. I think we've got the same one, but we have to check the size. Isme size, I think this is a big size. Bigger size. This looks like a 44. So 42
44.
and 44 available in this. जल्दी से order करिए. They are single pieces. John Wovertos, another large. We've shown you this article, इसलिए हम खोल नहीं रहे हैं.
आपको पहले.
Stock बहुत है, तो we are going in a little fast speed. This zipper, thin cotton.
44, 46.
Okay, some lovely sweaters. A V-neck. Size looks like a 40-42 again.
Yes.
It's got this lovely, shape here, the diamond shape and everything, and it's got this style which is very nice on denims and cargos. So sizes बताते रहे.
Size is ये large.
Large है?
Large है. ये रहे
So we've got some more,
Yeah.
2 more colors in this.
ये वोट किया है
Okay, there's another color here.
ये है एक्सेल साइज एक्सेल
And another one.
46
So this XL, this is a slim fit. It's not very big. It's 42. Good enough for 42, 43, or max 44.
yes.
Here's this beautiful cotton knit sweater.
हाफ
So till 24 degrees, can be worn for sports as well, golf or cricket or casually or official wear as well. So that's the best part of a sleeveless sweater. You can see shipment pack condition, and we've got some sizes.
साइज लार्ज
We
44
got a large XL and a small. There's no
Small.
medium in this. There is no medium, viewers.
ये
So just 3 pieces.
Three
जल्दी से order कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now this fantastic article, sizes are not mentioned in this, so we will be measuring this for you. You can see how beautiful it is. The lovely border, the soft wool,
सब
and very nice for the New Year's and for Christmas. So this is a 24, which is a 48.
48
48.
Big
Okay,
size.
the next one. These are all happen to be now 48. I think someone wearing 46 can also carry this. This looks like a bigger size. This would probably be a 50 plus
50 plus.
because these are international pieces. You can see that 27. Pretty big one, and I think my guess is that this will also be big. So unfortunately there are no smaller sizes. Only 44, 46 plus हैं सारे.
बड़े
26. This is a 52.
52
Quickly grab them.
Big size.
It's a steal for viewers wanting bigger sizes. There are lots of them who come to us for bigger sizes. So it's a beautiful product for them. And here, this particular product, I think we've got 2. We've got a black also in this. Both are, one is a medium, one is a large.
लार्ज
So all over you can see 3D print.
इसमें ब्लैक है मीडियम है पर
Black में medium है, beige में we've got a large.
लार्ज बेज में लार्ज
Beige में large है, right? Okay. So viewers, we've specially arranged this for you, and it's a beautiful 3/4 neck. So Pawan seems to be happy and making me laugh as well. So this is the shipment pack condition. You can see blue, lovely brown, and lovely green there.
Green.
Olive green or a dark olive green with the yellow combination looks nice there. The blue and the khaki and the red and the blue.
ब्लू
So now this is 3/4 zipper. 3/4 zipper hai?
3/4
है ना? They look
Yes.
very nice and smart. We'll quickly you can zoom in, and we're going to show you once again. Zoom in. This is called crochet knit, and this is all crochet knit. So this ये चोटी वाला style जो है crochet knit है.
Crochet.
It looks very nice. You can send us on WhatsApp which color you want and what size is available. We'll quickly tell you. This is an extra large. इसमें बताइए.
Medium.
Medium. So mostly we
Medium,
have
XL.
most of the sizes in this. You can ask us on WhatsApp for the
Size मिल
sizes.
जाएंगे.
There's a large as well in this.
लार्ज
इसमें green में medium भी है.
ग्रीन मीडियम
And in the khaki we've got a complete set. In this particular color we've got a complete set. Medium, large, XL.
एक्सेल इनमें तीनों साइज
Okay, now this is something different. This is crochet knit with a different pattern. इसलिए हमने उसमें नहीं दिखाया. ये अलग पैटर्न है इसका, और ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसमें बहुत अच्छा काम किया हुआ है all over. You can see. So lovely work, and it's got its stretchable material. And size क्या है ये?
साइज है ये लार्ज
Large है, and very nice for the winters and the upcoming party time. This looks really elegant even to office. So most of them are very sophisticated, even for the
42,
official purposes
44.
can be worn. So ये size क्या है? I think this is a bigger size. We'll just check this out. This is XL.
एक्सेल
वो क्या था, large or
Large.
medium? Okay, large and XL available. Because some sweatshirts सारे mix हो गए थे, so that's the reason why we have not done it in category wise. They are assorted pieces, assorted sampling, neat, clean, fresh, wonderful condition. आपको unwrap करके भी हमने दिखाया इस चीज़ों को. Size ये medium है इसमें
Size
और
medium.
दोनों medium है in this.
40
There are two mediums in
40
this.
42
Yeah. Okay, a lovely woolen sweater. You can see the work. Just one or two sample pieces in this. You can see the work here, right in between. And it's not a, it's about 44, 46 woolen fabric. Very nice
Design.
work on it, and you can see the work here. You can see that lovely pattern there.
44
And
46
This particular box here is part of the design. Another piece in this. So we just got two sample pieces
2 something
which look pretty big. They look like 44 plus.
44
So in this
46,
particular article, 44 plus.
44
पीछे से दिखाइए एक बार.
ये देखो
So amazing,
Black
super
design.
luxury
सुपर लग्जरी
sweaters we got for you this season. And no, काटो. Yeah, lovely maroon.
maroon
इसमें पहले I think blue दिखा चुके हैं,
blue
है ना?
yeah
So this is a
Double
double
XL.
XL, लेकिन ये बड़ा नहीं है. It's a slim fit. So 44, है ना?
44 46
Okay, this is a cotton knit. European label, Springfield. We'll give you a good price for this.
44
Yeah.
size XL
Okay. Another. इसमें I think छोटे size available है. This is medium, which is 38-40.
38 40
ये देखिए. Lovely 3/4 zipper, knitted.
size 38 40 ये भी
This lovely
size medium
elbow rest, 3/4 zipper. देखिए. Size छोटे हैं पवन.
हाँ साइज छोटे हैं इसमें 38 40 साइज
ये देखिए. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा.
ये
This must be 40, 40,
40
40, 41.
40 41
Now in that silver studded pattern, we have a size medium also.
ये मिल जाएगा. ये जैकेट अभी दिखाया था आपको. ये साइज एक्सेल है 46
हाँ, तो इसमें बेसिकली हमारे पास XL है और डबल XL है. In the grey, in the black we have a extra large. So only bigger sizes. Now coming to these lovely woolen trousers, unfortunately only in smaller sizes. Lucky customers can grab this. It's a woolen trouser, formal trouser, very unique, and it's very nice. You can see the detailing there. It's got the small little pocket here.
ये बेल्ट भी है
And that's a design, no, it's not a pocket. It's got a belt here. It's got pleats, and the fabric is thick, and it's got stripes there. You can see it's woolen, and inside अंदर से देखिए, fantastic, है ना? And this is 30 size.
30
I think ankle length,
yes
slightly more than ankle length, maybe 40 is the length. Woolen and size 30-31. So that's one article. This is the second article. इसमें stretch है पवन? Yeah, this has stretch. The other article didn't have stretch. This is a different label. It's got a lovely belt here, and you can see there.
ये भी 30
Okay.
32
And it's got this fleece sort of thing inside. So these are warm trousers, formal warm trousers, something very unique. You'll not find everywhere. But I think this is 32,
30 32
32, and the other one was 30. Okay, ये दिखाइए पीछे से. So lovely. This has stretchable material, formal trouser. Fantastic piece. Okay, we'll show you another article in wool. ये भी दिखा दीजिए. ये winter article है.
ये भी देखो साइड
Lovely grey.
ग्रे
It's a dark grey. Woolen trouser. Again, size बताइए.
साइड 30
Size is 30. 32, 30, 32. We'll measure.
Yeah.
It looks like a 30, 31. And this is a grey.
Great.
Okay. So some nice jackets here. Woolen jackets. You can see button style. You देखिए. It's got a lovely film inside. This soft, comfortable single pocket article, and with push buttons, click buttons. There. So lovely blazer.
Size medium.
Size बता दीजिए.
40, 42.
Okay, that was a different color. This is a different color. So this is a super luxury product, and this is a size double XL, which is a 44, 46.
44, 46.
Yeah, single pocket, very neat and clean. Shipment pack condition. Again, European shipments, and push button style. And this lovely embroidery work here. See, feels good, soft, comfortable, cozy, and very, very classy. Okay, viewers, now this is actually a jacket, a shirt style jacket. It's got two pockets here. और ये देख सकते हैं.
That's it, please.
Under say there's cotton fleece, which means it's very soft and warm. It's actually a jacket, and ये देखिए अंदर से ऐसे. It's got this soft cotton fleece, and it's going to be really nice and warm. अंदर से बाहर से it's got this lovely woolen cloth fabric. So in this red and black, which is a very popular color, you can see online as well. These articles are available. Unisex article which can be worn guys and girls both, but especially it's a boyish design. It's a male design. So these are lovely jackets, supposed to be worn slightly little loose because you can open the buttons and it looks nice with boots and jeans, and looks really nice and goes with the Christmas theme as well. So we've got sizes in this. We've got I would request whoever orders, do not order in jackets. We won't show you exact measurement. The
Size
measurement,
measurement.
it has to be 2 inches more in a jacket. So if you are 44, then the measurement has to be 46 here. So we
46.
have 46, 44. We've got all sizes in this, है ना
सारे
Pawan?
size हैं
And we've got a smaller size as well. एक छोटा size भी है. And in the yellow one, we just have a smaller size. This is probably Pawan's size.
Yes.
40, है ना?
40.
Okay,
40,
Pawan, how's it
41.
looking? Good?
Yes.
Nice.
Nice. Very
Okay,
good.
we're just going to put it against him. ये देखिए. Fantastic. 2 pocket, woolen, lovely classy article. Lovely warm inside. A fleece winter tracksuit. Just limited pieces. We've got only 3 pieces in this. We'll take a moment to show you. It's got lovely fleece inside. Size mentioned. We got a large, medium,
Large.
and
Double XL.
Double XL. There's no extra large in this. आप देख सकते हैं. It's a very nice piece, and you can see the
42, 44.
yeah. You can see
44 होगा.
44 large. So
Large,
large
44.
available, and you can see the design here, and it's got a different beige stripe running across this band, thin little band right across the shoulder to the arms, and lovely 2 pockets. It's got this fleece inside, so it's very nice. The fleece, it's got wash care intact, shipment pack condition.
Neat and clean piece.
Neat and clean, shipment pack condition. 3 sizes available. You can quickly order. एक बार दिखाइए for screenshots. We are showing you once again. Limited pieces, authentic European shipment, and a lovely navy blue, which goes all season. All-time favorite होता है navy blue, and this beige and the navy is a lovely combination. नीचे से खुला है, so this is very popular. नीचे से खुला भी बहुत लोग, but most of the customers love this open at the bottom. So fleece, size large, medium,
large,
and double
40.
XL. Here, 3 sizes available. And that's it.
Medium, double XL, large. Size medium.
Okay, this is like a trench coat, a woolen trench coat, and it's a formal product, and it's just one piece that we have here. and it's a
large.
fantastic article. It's a brand from the United Kingdom, and आप ये देख सकते हैं. It's going to these countries. I think it's UK, US, and Europe, and it's a lovely product here. ये देखिए, it's wool, tweed jacket. ये देखिए. Look at the lining inside. Lining, customers, are very important to show you. The lining has to be nice for the fit. To get a very nice, comfortable, smart fit, the lining has to be nice, comfortable, and cozy. So you're seeing here, you're viewing neat and clean pieces, fresh pieces, and this is just only one article. So I think this is a 44.
44.
This would fit a size 44 because it's a European size, international standard. So 44, maybe even 45. Just one article in that. So this is a super luxury article, viewers.
Super luxury.
So we'll take about a minute or two to explain about this. It's like a lovely baseball sort of a jacket, but can be worn formally as well. You can see how beautiful this is.
40, 42.
Just look at the work on this and the lovely metal and a lovely baseball kind of a look, a bomber jacket kind of look, baseball jacket kind of look, thick wool. If we talk about the fabric, very thick wool, good enough for even snowy areas. And you can see the lining inside. There is lining inside. Yes, this soft lining inside, silky lining. You can see here, that's the tag there. Again, there. And it's got lovely wash care intact inside. So what's the size, Pawan?
40, 42.
Yeah, पीछे से plain है,
पीछे से
absolutely plain.
ये देखो.
Absolutely plain. It's got this band at the bottom, and we need to show both colors together. एक मिनट वो दिखाइए एक बार. और ये दो articles available.
Grey or black.
I mean, it's the same article but different color, and this is a lovely grey melange and grey combo, and you can see the work here. It's fantastic. You see the leather, the metal, the gold, the black, crazy stuff. So it's really out of this world. You can quickly order this particular article. This is absolutely amazing, brilliant. So you can see these lovely pieces.
44, 46 है ये, XL size है.
XL, yeah.
ये medium size.
ठीक है, पीछे से
40,
plain
42.
है, and we've spoken about the fabric and everything. It's a smart fit. So good article. Exceptional, I would say, not good. Exceptional, very nice. So this, Pawan, what's the size? Large.
Large.
So we got a large in black,
Large and black.
और वो था medium.
Medium.
We got a medium, large in grey.
44.
Grey में क्या size है?
Grey में XL.
XL. Okay, and we've got a double XL in black in this.
Double.
Yeah, double XL. This is a different article. It's a different article. Slightly longer length.
46, 48.
We've shown you. We have a beige and a brown, and this is the black. So we're not doing it sequence wise. So कभी-कभी ये mix होके आ जाते हैं. So ये देखिए, lovely work. You can see the thread, the work here. This looks like very nice work, thread work they've done on this. It's exceptional luxury products we've shown you. Ice wash jacket, 2 pocket, very, very classy. It's not very thick denim, and good enough till 22 degrees. You can see the size there, shipment pack condition,
Size.
and you can see the price there, 160 USD.
Size
Makes it
large.
around 15,000 के आसपास.
44.
You can see the buttons. So lovely wash, Pawan. You can see the blend of the light and the dark. 2 pocket. The sleeve is rolled up here. You can roll it up if you want, or you can wear it full length. So outstanding piece here again. One other product. पीछे से एक बार हम आपको दिखा देते हैं. Looks this. It's got this badge at the bottom.
साइज लार्ज है,
large
44.
है, ship and pack condition. So I think we've got two pieces, and this looks like a 42 can also carry it, 42 and 44. So just two, and both in large. Okay, a rugged denim jacket, again, blackish grey. You can see this finish here. Euro 145, and two pocket.
2 pocket.
It's got actual pockets, or is it the style? We'll just show you. Let's see. Yes, it's got actual pockets there. Actual pockets there, side pockets there. 4 pocket jacket, rugged. Size extra large.
Extra large.
Okay, now a lovely blue. So the tinge of the blue is very nice. It's got this international look. The color,
पीछे भी रख देंगे.
the color is very nice, bluey color, and rugged. And you can see 145 euros, which means they've done a lot of work on it.
Size
And
44.
size 40.
4.
four.
XL.
Yeah. ये देखिए, this is an international denim shacket. It can be worn as a jacket. It can be worn as a shirt, overshirt. So fantastic product. You can see it's going at an angle all over. It's going at a particular angle. So at the back, it's all over print. It's all over slight embroidery, I think. So it's a nice. It can be. It's an oversized denim jacket. So someone wearing 42 can also carry this. 42, 44. Even though the actual measurement is going to be bigger. So I think we've got two sizes.
Sorry.
Good enough for 42
44.
and maybe 44, 46.
6.
Send us those screenshots, please. Okay, we've got a small size in this, a large.
Large.
Large, which is not very big. This should be 42.
40.
Okay, a light cotton shacket, 4 pocket, 3D pockets. See there?
Size है
क्या
medium. 42.
Yeah. Okay, this is fox leather. It's not actual leather, and it's a biker's jacket. And you can see there, 6K is the price. 42, good enough for 42.
42. 43.
Okay, this is official jacket. Can be worn to work. Looks nice, and it's got this lovely zip here. It's pretty warm, lightweight, and there, that's the zip there.
ये
And
pocket है.
ये देखिए, Pawan's going to show inside from the interiors. ये दिखाइए. So it's there. It's all about diamond quality, windproof, exterior, and multi pocket, everything. All the detailing inside. It's got a secret zip in.
Size large.
It's got a secret zip in there. Shipment pack condition with tags and everything intact. So we got two colors, Pawan.
2 color.
We got a large and an XL, 44 and 46, I
46.
think. 44 and 46 available in this. Okay, viewers, now this is probably the costliest article tonight, and we're showing you this. It's a ebony jacket, and we're going to explain about it. It's this hood is detachable.
Dictate.
A lot of work on it. It's detachable, so
निकाल भी सकते हैं।
निकाल सकते हैं, और हम आपके सामने इसको निकाल के दिखाएंगे. ये देखिए, ये निकला. It's good enough for the mountains, for the snow, and it's a super luxury article. It's an authentic article. Now, for viewers must be a little confused ki North Face and this label, because certain articles they have a collaboration. So this is one which is North Face into Gucci, ex Gucci. So you can see the lovely lining. The padding inside is outstanding quality, and it's got these lovely big pockets, and this is got a side zip as well, and
4 pocket. ये देखो.
4 pocket.
Yes.
Okay, so this is actually a dual pocket there. And पीछे देखिए, पीछे दिखाइए, एक बार खोल के भी दिखाइए इस जैकेट को.
ये देखो.
And here, viewers, this is to North Face. Yeah, this is the price. You can see it's the same article, Hannah. It's about 419. Okay. And if we see in foreign currency, it's about $7,000. This is the same jacket, Hannah?
Yes, same.
And ये देखिए $7,500. So in various sites there are prices, you know,
इसमें ये भी pocket है.
so we can by far say that this is the costliest article here at present. Lovely, you can see how it goes. Beautiful, the sound, and it feels good. Hannah, it's got wash care intact form. Yeah, wash care intact, neat, clean pieces. They are not old styles. These are all. This is a fresh collection, by the way. This is all fresh collection that we are showing you. None of them have been shown earlier.
Size होगा इसका सर.
Current winter stuff. You
इसका
can
size
quickly order. ये size है 44 या 46 को आएगा.
44,
Only one article there. And please send us the screenshot. We've taken about 2 minutes to explain about the product. Size also we've told you it's a 44 or 46. It's an extra large. Okay, now this article here is also a big article, Pawan.
Big.
Again, 44, 46, a corduroy jacket.
46.
You can see inside it's got quilting inside. And the rest
Corduroy
Pawan
style.
is going to explain.
ये देखो.
दिखाइए वॉश केयर वगैरह सब दिखा दिया. ओके, इंटैक्ट. पीछे का डिजाइन.
46 size.
Okay, this I think we've shown before earlier. In case we haven't, then this is a size 41, 42. है ना? Medium. 40 या 42 के बीच में.
4 pocket.
Sweat
दो
fabric,
pocket और ये.
zip, 2 pocket, very very classy, super luxury article. You can see that. Alright viewers, this is also an outstanding, exceptional and very unique and rare article we'd like to present to you. You can see the work here on the left side of the chest. You can see the shining buttons and you can see the fabric. The styling is superb. Here, you can see inside. So it's a wind cheater jacket, and which will block the wind. It'll keep you slightly warm, but there's no woolen lining inside though. You'll have to wear a warmer or something.
ये button
But
पे
that's
भी
the beautiful. Yeah, the buttons are shiny, clean, neat, clean, fresh piece. We've measured it. It's a size 42, perfect for a size 42.
42, 40.
42. It's got these shoulder flaps.
इसमें हुडी भी अगर
It's got this for the hood,
ये
but in case it's required. But otherwise, it is a superb article. ये देखिए. It'll be difficult for Pawan to put it back, but yeah, it's a fantastic product. Superb, super luxury article. Very rare. You'll not see it on any of the other channels. You're not going to see this anywhere. It's a very very classy product. You can see the 4 pocket, shiny buttons, and the lovely work here, and the badge on the left arm. Right, Pawan? 42.
Yes. 42,
Okay.
43.
Okay, this is good for youngsters, college goers. Good for youngsters. They love this kind of stuff. It's got quilting inside. Debranding ho chuka hai. It's got wool on the exteriors, and it can be worn open as well. So it's not very big. I think 38-40.
38, 40.
And this looks like a 42 plus.
42.
Store articles. Store articles, perhaps one or two seasons old, and it's got this 4 pocket jacket. Okay, a lightweight, warm, sleeveless jacket, and with warm, yani it's got fleece inside. It's certain fleece hai? Nahi hai. Fleece nahi hai, but it's got a double coating of
Size
down feather.
44, 46.
duck feather, probably double coating hai. So it's a fluffy jacket and adjustable at the waist with a hood.
44, 46
Ji.
size.
Okay, we move on here.
Single piece.
Now this is a wind cheater jacket. I think 42, Pavan?
42, 44.
42, 44? Okay, it's a small, but it's an international jacket. It's probably American. And you can see there, it's very nice with boots and cargos. You can, with black, it will go really well. Blue and black. It's Omni what? Tech. Omni Tech. So lovely. These are mountain jackets. And it's got lovely, needless to say, this particular label is known for their outdoor adventure merchandise. So this is a fantastic product. 42. Next,
42,
Pawan.
42.
Okay, this is these are biker jackets. So it's got this hard sort of a feeling, so that the air, it's totally airproof. So when the chilly wind hits you, it shouldn't pass this jacket, and that's the reason why the fabric is like that. And but you see, the jacket is outstanding, exceptional, very lovely product for bikers. पीछे से पवन ने एक बार दिखा देंगे. You can see that. We've shown you this badge on the right arm. It's got a tag, and size क्या है? 40, 40, 41?
40, 41.
Yeah, 40, 41. ठीक है. So everything intact with tags, and wash can, everything should be intact as well. You can see there. This is a down jacket, very light. Down means duck feather hai andar, and it's warm. And the size, Pawan bata dijiye bas. 42, I think.
42.
Looks like a 42.
Two
Yeah.
pocket.
Lightweight, warm jacket with a hood. Okay, now this jacket, the reason why it is not sitting on the hanger is because it's got these shoulder pads. It's got these shoulder pads which can be, these are detachable. If you don't want them, you just have to work on, you just have to open this and remove them. So these are detachable, then it becomes a simple jacket. So these are shoulder pads, hard, just to save you from a bike crash or something. And it's got a back pad as well. This is also detachable. Everything is detachable. If we unzip this guy, you can see here from the inside. Here. See, there will be an opening somewhere where you can. This is all detachable.
ये नीचे.
Yeah, no?
हाँ.
Yeah, here you can see. This is detachable. It's got this opening here. It's all detachable. This can also be opened. So everything is detachable if you don't want it. And then suppose you're going on a long ride, then you can add the pads. So what's the size?
42.
42. Okay. So we move on to the next article. This is a varsity jacket. It's woolen, and again a size large, which
Size
is
large.
42, 43, and good for college goers, youngsters. Lovely bright color, and you can see the price there. It's almost 7,000, about 1 or 2 seasons old. You can see the lovely yellow patch on the left side of the pocket. Varsity baseball
Yeah,
look,
nice.
and lovely print at the back. Pawan.
Back.
Pawan's quite excited looking at the print, and
Very
it looks
nice
really
print.
nice at the back.
Back print.
It's ongoing shift. You can see this guy surfing on the beach, and this is it's got lovely material inside as well. I just felt it, and it feels superb. You can see, Pawan?
Yeah.
Feels good inside. Nice, and you see, amazing product. You can quickly order these. We'll give you the best possible prices. Have you got another color in this? Yeah, this is a different style, I think. This is a collar baseball jacket or a varsity jacket. And what's the size, Pawan? Medium or large? देखिए.
XL.
XL. So this is all over wool. The other one had leatherite on the sleeves. This is all over wool. पीछे
44.
दिखाइए. Everywhere it's got this work. This is a 44.
40.
We are showing you. Lovely work
Back
here.
print.
Yeah. And the lovely pockets. You can see the security seal. And that extra large. This is about 8. This is even expensive than the earlier one. And it's got lovely quilting inside, you can see. ये देखिए. Quilting. दिखाइए एक बार. ये.
ये pocket.
This is it, है ना? Lovely wash care, everything intact. Just 2 articles in these bomber jackets. Someone tall and handsome can quickly grab these articles at a good price. Okay. Next article. Okay, this is again. पकड़िए. Yeah. Slightly heavy, but it's got work inside. It's got this fur here. Again, a biker jacket, a little slightly longer, and can be worn multi-purpose because it's got length. It's slightly long. It's got a hood, and size is large.
Size large.
Large. It's got work here. Very rough fabric. The reason for the roughness is to block the wind, the icy, chilly winds. See there.
ये बटन पे भी लिखा है.
सब कुछ ये शिपमेंट पैक कंडीशन है
Neat
इसमें.
and clean.
नीट एंड क्लीन पीस है. जो वेरिएशन कलर में है वो पार्ट ऑफ स्टाइल है. विद अ हुड. डिटैचेबल है आई थिंक हुड. Hood is detachable. So another biker jacket, you can see that. Yeah. Okay, MST and all the tags are intact. Yeah, you can see this, the price mentioned there. We'll give you a good price. I think we just have one piece in this. This black looks really nice. The red. See the work on the sleeves.
Size 42.
Again, the same theory.
42, 44.
The pads are detachable. It's got pads. It's got 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 4 pads. पीछे है कुछ pad है? पीछे है? Yes, it's got a slight pad at the back. It's got a pad at the back as well. So we'll unzip and show you as well. Here, देखिए. It's got this Velcro. It's a lot of work on it. It's one of the most expensive articles. So it's got a lot of work. ये देखिए. ये देखिए. ये size है international standard.
XL.
3XL.
3XL.
But if we measure in inches, it's not very big. It's
40.
probably 44.
44.
And here, the sleeves. And there. You can see all the detailing. It's a biker jacket, so all the information there. Emergency, contact, blood group, etc. So lovely jacket. You can quickly order just one piece there in this color. All right, viewers. This is not a very heavy jacket. You can see there. Made like a gun. MLG, made like a gun. Lovely. So it's a British label. You can see there. Here. This metal tag is intact. This is not a biker's jacket now. Customers, this is like yeah,
Bullet.
yeah, because this can be worn like on daily purposes as well as a casual jacket, because it doesn't have any sort of padding.
46
and,
size.
You know, the fabric is also soft cotton. So this is size बता दिया
Size 46.
46, yeah, 46, 4 pocket jacket. Okay, lightweight bomber, very very light and warm, official purposes.
44 size.
Yeah, very light bomber.
44 size.
Okay,
2.
this is also a down jacket but a double breast jacket. Looks very nice. So we'll size बताइए.
Size XL. Double.
And fantastic product there. You can see the lining at the bottom and 2 lovely pockets here. And the material is very nice and soft, light, and very very unique design. You can see there the zip.
44, 46 size.
Yeah. That's it. Okay, viewers, we have we get unique, authentic sampling of accessories. Normally, we don't show you the entire range. We don't get an entire range, but we get only cherry pick some current shipments which go to Europe or the US. Mostly Europe and US. You can see this fantastic piece here. It's a size 9, suede leather, and a size 9.
9.
So lucky customer can grab this. You can see at the back as well. Here, there. So lovely, suede. It's suede sneakers, not very heavy. Size 9. Size 9. Yeah. And here, this is a fantastic product. This is on various sites. It's for about 15,000. And here, click of the button. Authentic piece. Just one article there. Size large. Now
large.
they are sizes. So someone who has a slightly bigger face than me can carry this. This is a little bit big for me. You can see here. It's got this lovely logo there. Here. And we guarantee that it is authentic. ये देखिए. So accessories, we make sure we get very limited pieces, but we make sure they are authentic. And it's got this as well inside. Yeah, that's the model. You can check the model online and compare the prices. We'll give you a good price for this. And regular customers will get extra 10% discount on accessories. Very limited accessories. This is a size 10. See that? देखिए, size 10. Size 10. ये पूरा हम दिखा देते हैं आपको. ये देखिए, ऐसे भी और ऐसे भी दिखा देते हैं. ऐसे. Yeah, size 10. Yeah, with the box. So the Bugatti is without a box. This comes with a box. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. I hope you liked the presentation. It was a little long. I know. I do admit. We do admit that it was a little long, but it's been waiting. It's been piling up, and the winter stuff, and it's the right time, I think, just to show the new collection. And we've given you the first opportunity just before opening it here in the store. We've shown the online viewers because they give us lots of support, love, and affection, which we are very, very grateful for. And I request you again, it's going to be like a sale because they're only single articles. Most of them are single sampling pieces, 100% authentic. We will measure and send to you. Do send your screenshot with your address, pin code, and name in one message so that it's easier for us to send it to the courier company as well. So thank you very much. Do like and subscribe the channel.